Hello everyone and welcome to Learning Updates. Today again I am back with some free certification course on my YouTube channel. Today's topic is free certification course on prompt engineering, which is a very powerful tool for guiding artificial intelligence. So what is prompt engineering? Prompt engineering is the art of crafting instructions that guide generative AI models towards specific outputs. Imagine it is as writing up a recipe of an AI chef. The better your recipe, like prompt, the tastier, more relevant and interesting the final dish AI output will be. In order to describe what is prompt engineering and what are the benefits of learning prompt engineering, I gone through this website provided by Analytics Vidya. As you know, I have already described and provided a video on about this website. What are they are providing different kinds of free learning modules and certification course in their website. So I put the description box about this article where you can check out what are the opportunities of learning prompt engineering, what are the benefits of prompt engineering for nowadays. So there are lots of benefits after learning prompt engineering in 2024. You can unlock the potential of generative AI. With effective prompts, you can leverage artificial intelligence for various tasks like creative writing, image generation, and code completion. You can enhance your control and customization on prompt engineering, which allows you to tailor artificial intelligence outputs to your specific needs and preferences. It is a very emerging field with vast potential. As artificial intelligence continues to evolve, prompt engineering will become evolved prompt and more crucial for maximizing its capabilities. As you know, every coin has its two faces and two sides. So there are lots of cons and prompt available for prompt engineering to consider, like learning curve involved. Crafting effective prompts requires practice and understanding of AI model capabilities. So there are lots of potential bias over there, and it is a evolving technology. So as generative AI models become more complex, prompt engineering techniques might need to adapt. Overall, prompt engineering is a powerful tool that unlocks the full potential of generative AI, and with its increasing accessibility in 2024, it is a valuable skill to learn for everyone interested in exploring the creative possibilities of artificial intelligence. So our first course will be ChatGPT Prompt Engineering for Developers. This is a free learning course for beginners only, and this is a 1 hour duration course provided by deeplearning.ai, very much popular learning website around the globe. So our course instructor will be Isa Fulford and Andrew Ng. Andrew Ng is a very popular name in artificial intelligence field. He is a very much popular instructor providing different types of learning courses on artificial intelligence. So this course will be very helpful for beginners. You can click on the start learning button, and after enrolling in this course you can access the learning modules over this course. So what you will be learn in this course, you will learn prompt engineering best practices for application development, discover new ways to use large language models including how to build your own custom chatbot, gain hands-on practice writing and iterating on prompts yourself using OpenAI at API. So you can check out this course. And moving on to the next course. So the next course is provided by learnprompting.organization. It's a very much well-renowned learning portal providing different kind of free certification and courses in their learning portal online. So you can check out this course, like this course name is ChatGPT for everyone. So apart from this course you can check, so there are lots of free courses over there like ChatGPT for everyone and introduction to prompt engineering. So these are the paid course if you are interested to, so you can check out that. So these are very much useful for beginners as the course is already informed is a beginner friendly course. So moving on to the next course. So this course is provided by Simply Learn, collaborated by Skill Up Learning provider. So this is also a foundational course for beginners. So this course is Introduction to Prompt Engineering Fundamentals. So in this course you will learn artificial intelligence and language model overview, prompt design techniques, problem solving, refining prompts, bias recognition and mitigation. So in this on 1 hour self-paced video lesson course you will get a large of learning contents and modules about on prompt engineering. So this course is divided into 4 segments like introduction, what is prompt engineering, lesson 1, lesson 2 prompt engineering demo, and what is prompt tuning. So after completed this course you can see you will get a free certificate provided by Simply Learn. You can see this certification course, sample certification course. You will also get the certification course after completing the all modules provided by Simply Learn. So moving on to the next course. So the next course is provided by udemy.com. We also already covered previously, so lots of free certification on demand courses provided by Udemy previously in our channel. You can also check out that. So right now we will talk about this course, ChatGPT quick guide, prompt engineering, plugins and more. So in this 2 hours course you will get lots of learning modules like understand how to use the ChatGPT interface, comprehend advanced prompt engineering techniques, use ChatGPT to generate code, completely automate tasks, leverage ChatGPT plugins to supercharge ChatGPT powers, learn use the latest techniques with ChatGPT plus code interpreter. So this is a free course, 2 hours. So this course is already you can see 44,000 and about 500 students already enrolled in this 1 hour and 54 minutes of on-demand video course. So this is a highly rated course on 4.5 by provided by 1,363 learners provided their rating in this course. So you will get a very great knowledge base after completing this course. Moving on to the next course. So this course is provided by LinkedIn Learning, a well-renowned learning portal and very much recognized by professionals and business individuals. So this course name is Introduction to Prompt Engineering for Generative AI. So this is also a beginners friendly course of 44 minutes. In this 44 minutes duration you will learn what is the introduction of ChatGPT and what is the text generation and AI generated images, about advanced concepts and what is the conclusion after completing this course. So these are also beginners friendly course and you can see there are more than 1,59,000 students already enrolled in this course and 7,000 students find helpful after completing this course. So you will definitely get a better knowledge base after completing this course. So moving on to the next course. So this course is a YouTube playlist tutorial provided by Edureka. Edureka is also a great learning portal providing lots of learning materials, on-demand learning materials in their portal like artificial intelligence, machine learning, ChatGPT and so on and so forth. So there are 16 videos provided in their website like how to become a prompt engineer, generative AI full course, about 10 hours of learning content. So this course is very much up to date and you will get a up to date content and up to date material after completing those videos. And moving on to the next So this is basically a blog provided by Edureka also. So after completing this blog, you will know what is the basics of artificial intelligence, what is the prompt engineering, and what is useful for prompt engineering is useful for artificial intelligence, and so on. I will provide the link of this blog in the description box of this video. You can check out foundation of prompt engineering provided by AWS skill building portal. So Amazon is a very well-known recognized organization around the globe. So after completing this course from their website, you will get 4 hours of learning materials. So what you will learn in this course, you will learn define how to define the prompt engineering and the general best practices when you interact with large language models, identify the basic types of prompt techniques, and so on and so forth. So you will get a large knowledge base after completing this course provided by Amazon Web Services. So that's all about today. We have covered almost 7 numbers of free courses provided available in online. So you can check out that if you are interested in to advance your career in prompt engineering courses and prompt engineering career based on prompt engineering. So stay safe, be happy, and keep learning. Thanks for watching this video.